What is the stage of the recruitment now?
Lordship, there were 15 vacancies and 8 have been filled and 7 are vacant. My exam went really very well, and Your Lordship, the Chief Justice there, he really acknowledged my answer sheets, and he flipped it for 25 minutes 3 times, and he was saying that everything looks well, but thing is that it was not your day.
In the Superior Judicial Service, we are facing a lot of difficulties, and that's why probably the three-judge bench has now even permitted the judicial officers to appear. Now, if you fix a benchmark, minimum suppose 50% cutoff, you may not get a single candidate. Law is also very conservative about.
My lords, apart from the finding, my lord, one of the...
Yes, Doctor. Yes, Doctor.
Please, my lords. My lords, one of the main prayer was also to consider the fixation of qualifying marks, my lord, in the writ petition before the High Court. The High Court quoted the petitioner, my lord.
I think we should avoid this kind of because this is not in the interest of the institution. There are sometimes what happens.
Please, my lord.
The inspection of paper book is answer sheet is something different.
Please, my lord.
Re-evaluation is all.
My lord, I'm not on that, my lord. My humble request, I'm not on that. That apart, my lord, dehors of that, it was also the intention of the petitioner, my lord, to request for directions, my lord, prayed for directions to set some qualifying marks, my lord. Rule 18 of the rules provide for it, my lord. That aspect has not at all been gone through the High Court, because the transparency, my lord, occurs when there is some cutoff marks or qualifying marks which the rules provide but was not fixed.
Also, I am telling you, my
Please,
brother and me, we are telling you based upon our practical experience.
Please, my lord.
When the question of the Superior Judicial Service.
Yes, my lord, please.
In the Superior Judicial Service, we are facing a lot of difficulties, and that's why probably the three-judge bench has now even permitted the judicial officers to appear. Hardly there is a High Court where the members of the bar are able to qualify the regular bar.
Yes.
Hardly any High Court where they are able to. And by the time you come out with the result, there is a scarcity of candidates. If you have 5 vacancies, only 2 or 3 candidates qualify.
When in this 7 vacancies are there, my lord, out of 15, only 8 have been...
Illustratively, we are telling you.
Please, my lords.
Now, if you fix a benchmark, minimum suppose 50% cutoff, you may not get a single candidate. Suppose after the evaluation you find
Please.
that there are you have a candidates who are available in the range of 45 to 50.
Please, my lords.
The court can take a holistic view that let us have a cutoff
From the first prayer. Please, my lords.
because your anxiety is that whatever is available, out of that best you pick up and fill up the bill.
Please, my lords.
That's why sometimes the lawyers, of those who are candidates, because ultimately they turn out to be students. They forget that they have 10 years, 15 years practice to their credit. But this is the factual position.
Yes, she has more than 13 years and she has a very good academic record, my lord. So it was her endeavorance to at least
She appears
see
to be
that.
some. She is a
13-year-old lawyer, my lord.
she's a lady lawyer.
My lords, we'll withdraw it, my lord. We'll have a simplicity. On instructions, my lord may hold that. So
Can we
the...
do?
Please, my lord.
Well, I hint you that you first go for inspection of your answers.
My lord, please.
In inspection, again, please advise her. She appears to be some lady lawyer.
Please, my lord. She is here, my lord. She is present in the court, my lord.
Right lawyer.
Please,
Why don't you practice here and do you belong to this state?
Your Lordship, I belongs to Punjab and High Court from Chandigarh.
You Kalia.
Yes, sir.
You are basically from north this side. Huh? Did you apply? Yes, this pan-India culture is extremely important. If we are not able to have officers going, and particularly I have a very pleasant experience. I went to Jharkhand last time for an official visit. I met some officers who were belonging to my state or my neighboring states. I went to Gujarat, there again were there. One of the judges now elevated, Mr. Tyagi, he is from Uttar Pradesh. Now he is a judge in Gujarat High Court.
Yes.
He joined there, he became Registrar General, then he became judge. So that's very good culture that officers are going in. Bihar, we have in Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh. Already Chhattisgarh, there are 2 district judges from this side. That's very good thing. But how much, what is the stage of the recruitment now?
Lordship,
Out of 15?
Lordship, there were 15 vacancies and 8 have been filled and 7 are vacant. My exam went really very well, And Your Lordship, the Chief Justice there, Justice, he really acknowledged my answer sheets, and he flipped it for 25 minutes 3 times, and he was saying that everything looks well, but thing is that it was not your day. So I was really shattered because the exam went really very well. So I knew that revaluation.
Were you called for interview?
No.
Your Lordship,
She
I have
couldn't
not
make it.
appeared for an interview.
Have
7
you
seats
been-
are vacant.
Check your answer sheet.
No, my lord.
I have not inspected my answer sheets, Your Lordship.
Inspection is not,
Very reluctant. The rule is, law is also very conservative about it.
please, my lord.
Normally, you will see first judgment 1979 by this court, saying that re-evaluation you can't claim unless expressly provided in the
Rules, my lord.
rules
Lordship,
for
there
the.
was no cut-off marks for the mains examination.
You see, cut-off marks is again, please appreciate. Sometimes it's not that it's not, these things are not to harm the candidates. These are only rather to promote them. If you fix a cut-off of 50 and then you don't get a single candidate, then entire,
The whole exercise.
there will be a huge problem.
Please, my lord. I handle.
For how many candidates you go for relaxation? That's
Your
the
Lordship,
issue.
7 seats are vacant. I have kindly, if I've
So
been
you do
allowed to.
one thing, you go and apply for inspection of your answers.
Yes, yes, Your Lordship.
First, you see that if you have been fairly evaluated.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Don't go by your own subjectivity. You are a learned fellow, you are PhD, and what was the subject of your research?
Your Lordship, international criminal law,
Okay. Okay.
rights of the accused in international criminal proceedings.
Mhm. Inspection of your answer sheet.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Don't go by this judgment that this question I had given answer so well that I should be awarded, say, 10 marks instead of 7. That you leave to the wisdom of the evaluator. Your must be some good senior professor. But maybe a mistake that your one question has gone unevaluated, you have not been awarded any marks, or maybe if
Yes.
in a given case that kind, then you can represent to the competent authority.
Please.
Otherwise, re-evaluation is something which can't be allowed.
Please, my lord, my lord,
Suggest is that, what is the other item you filed? No, we have.
This is a single matter. It's not,
Order was-
it's coming the second round, my lord. Initially, we had come, please, my lord, for an interim measure.
If you will, after arguing the case for some time, and senior counsel for the petitioner submits that though in the absence of an express rule, the petitioner's prayer for re-evaluation has been declined by the High Court.
Please, my lord.
However, she wishes to apply for the inspection of her answer sheet.
Please, my lords.
In case there is any glaring error found in the answer sheet,
Please.
the petitioner will make a representation for sympathetic consideration of the High Court.
Please, my lords.
Also, High Court. Please. Next paragraph. We see that it seems to us that the above mentioned stand taken on behalf of the petitioner is fair and just. The specially petition is accordingly dismissed as withdrawn, with liberty to the petitioner to apply for inspection of her answer sheets. Also, we request the High Court to consider such prayer sympathetically, so that the petitioner has her satisfaction that the answers given by her have been adequately evaluated.
Please, my lord.
Adequately evaluated. The specially petitioner disposed of in about terms.
Obliged, my lord. I'm so obliged.
But
Need
where
to
are you
oblige.
practicing, by the way?
Lordship, in Punjab and High Court, and in Jharkhand High Court as well.
In both places.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So in Punjab, Haryana, did you apply for direct recruitment?
Your Lordship, it was my first attempt in Jharkhand.
In Jharkhand?
Yeah, the notification came first there, so
Now, like, all the best wishes.
Obliged, my lord. Obliged for a patient.
Right.
Obliged. My lord.
Always,